My nigga, motherfucking nigga, my nigga, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga. You know what it is, man, you know what I'm saying? We're out here, you know what I'm saying, in Portland, Oregon. We got the presidential suite, you know what I'm saying? We got nigga RAiN. You know, I got that bottle of it, you know what I'm saying? That Captain Morgan and shit doing the real presidential. We got the table over here and shit. Kitchen over there. Living room right here. You know what I'm saying? I got my computer in a little station. You know, I got the bedroom right over here though. Niggas up in the presidential suite, so you know they got that hot tub up in here. The hot tub got a motherfucking TV in it and shit. You know what I'm saying? TV in this motherfucker. You know? That's where it's at. With my finger on the trigger. Side out there with my niggas. I'm going in, let's with my nigga, my nigga, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga. My nigga, my nigga. Alright, you said it.